Every so often, you find an example of a popular sports car that is a little bit special. There is something in its history that makes it stand out from all the rest. Enter Todd Frazier's 1971 240Z. The Datsun 240Z, introduced in 1969, was an instant success. As these early 240Zs aged, specialist shops like the Pierre Z car centre prospered. 26 years after the introduction, Nissan desired to light that flame again by offering to sell fully restored 240Zs and stand behind them as if it were a new car. The Pierre Z car centre built quite a reputation for their work, and Nissan executives considered the shop for the project to build 200 cars. To prove their capability, Pierre Z presented this Sunshine Yellow car, a recent restoration, for Todd Frazier. They were so impressed, Nissan awarded the project to Pierre Z. You could say that this 240Z was the standard bearer, or prototype, for the 37 examples that exist today. There exists photographic documentation of the extensive work done, and it remains in excellent condition overall. The numerous upgrades performed by Pierre Z enhance the performance and reliability, adding to the joy of owning this exceptional Series 1 240Z. The restoration of this 240Z is fully documented in the pursuit of authenticity. Single-stage urethane paint was applied to the exterior for the correct factory appearance. The new interior does feature a slight departure, with cloth inserts replacing vinyl to enhance driver comfort. A recent service was performed by the previous owner with the intention to provide reliable performance. And indeed it does, demonstrating a robust 138.9 horsepower on a recent dynamometer test. The story of this car is well documented by numerous articles in popular magazines. I told you, some sports cars are just a little bit special. Cheers. For more details on this vehicle or similar, please visit huntingridgemotors.com.